Problem number 11, y equals negative 8 minus 2, and negative 7x minus y equals 1. This one is already solved for y, so we don't need to do anything with that one. But with this one, we need to add 7x first because we want to move this minus 7x to the other side. And by adding 7x, we cancel the left side. We cannot combine 1 and 7x without making some weird stuff. So we drop down the negative y. We have to drop down with the negative. All right? So we get negative y equals 7x plus 1. So there's an imaginary 1 right here. We divide by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. We make a heart because we love math. This cancels, so we're left with y equals negative 7x minus 1. So we take this mx plus b. We take this mx plus b. We set them equal to each other just like this. Negative 7 minus 1, negative 7x minus 1 equals negative 8x minus 2. So I took this one, and I took this one right there. I added 8x, which cancels this one, because we want to get the variable on one side. Negative 7x plus 8x is 1x, minus 1 equals negative 2. Now we add 1, we add 1. We're left with 1x equals negative 1, and really we can just say that this is x equals negative 1 for our x value. Now we take our original equation, one of them, original. I took the one that's already solved for y. That's horrible writing. Y equals 8x minus 2. I'm going to plug in negative 1. So negative 8 times negative 1 gives us 8 minus 2. Y equals 6. So our coordinate point, negative 1, comma 6, x, y. Let's double check. We got to plug it into our original equations. Y equals negative 8x minus 2 and negative 7x minus y equals 1. So we go ahead and plug in here, just like this. And let me zoom out. There we go. We work it out. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 7 minus 6 is 1. And look at that. We got a correct answer. Negative 1, comma 6.